Hi guys, it's Julie from Midwestjules and I'm here with part 3 of my THREDUP 200-pound rescue box bulk unboxing. So, 200 pounds. So each box is 50 pounds. I've unboxed 2 so far and so we're on box 3. Full disclosure, I have peeked at this box because last night after a box and a half, my camera died and I had to look but I didn't look through the whole thing. I could not see anything that's on the bottom or plenty of in the middle, so it's mostly I just peeked at stuff on top. So, all right, let's start. This is a new with tags, Total Comfort. I don't know if that's the brand, but it's like a little nightgown. THREDUP doesn't sell pajamas, so I will sell that. Alright, this is a coat from JG Hook. So I don't know anything about that brand. I'll look it up, but it feels itchy, so it's probably gonna get donated. Alright, these are Nanette Lepore, size 2, little green pants. They do have bleach spots there, so these will be donated. Here's another pajama piece. This is Dreams Co. 1X, 2X. It's little anchors, nightgown. I might put this up on eBay. I don't know. I'll look into it. Alright, what are you? I don't see a tag on this. It's like a peacock feather top mini dress. Don't know because I don't see a size, so I'm not sure. But it kind of just looks like something you get on vacation. So probably just going to donate that since it doesn't have tags. Oh, Blair 3XL. I'm sure this stuff sells. I don't know. Should I put this on eBay? Is it worth my time? I don't know. I don't think it. I'll put that in a maybe pile. We'll see. Maybe. Maybe. Alright. These are 11Zs from Anthropology. They're like a velvet pant. I was checking to see if they stretch, but there's not really any stretch there. So they are a size extra small. I have no problem selling 11Zs. Alright. Free People Beach. Size medium. Little top with like poof rolled sleeves, but also like a large sleeve. Okay, I will try that. Okay, so 2 different pants. Talbot's slim crop pants. Those will go to THREDUP. Ellie Tahari. These have a size in them. Probably why they're here. There's no size. I will send these to my buy sell trade. One of them might take them, but definitely not Plato's. But one of the other stores might take them. Ann Taylor Petite's little skirt. Back to THREDUP. Okay, this is one item I know has significant damage. There's a giant hole in the crotch, but these are new with tags, but they're just from Marshall's, so those will just get redonated. J. Crew Mercantile, size medium, little off the shoulder top. I will try and sell that. Charlotte Russe, little bodycon dress, new with tags. I'll take this to Plato's. They don't seem to care that that store went out like, I don't know, 5 years ago. But, you know, don't take them your American Eagle from 3 years ago. They don't want that. This is just a little no name top, tunic, mini dress. I'll just send that to Plato's. They probably won't take it, which is fine. Velvet Heart Premium Denim, size 27. Dylan Relaxed Short. That screams Plato's to me. So we'll try that. Tinley Road, extra small. These also look like a Plato's item. All right, Halogen, size small, little white top. This I will send back to THREDUP. Simply Vera Wing, size small. This will go back to THREDUP. Staring at Stars, size medium, little spaghetti strap dress. Take this to Plato's. Oh wait, nope, it's a romper. Still taking it to Plato's. Alright. Ann Taylor Petite's skirt. Back to THREDUP. Ooh. M. LaFleur, size medium, but this is just a little black t-shirt. But I could probably still get like 20 bucks for that. Just dab. What's up, dog? I'm gonna take that to Plato's. If anybody will take it, it'll be Plato's, but not gonna hold my breath. All right, 90 Petites. This is vintage, gonna be donated. These are Simply Noel hand warmers, cuffs, not handcuffs. I don't know, leg warmers for your arms. Probably just give those to my sister-in-law. Banana Republic skirt. Got zipper pockets. That's gonna go to back to THREDUP. Another Banana Republic. Ugh, this one doesn't have a size. Cute little midi skirt. It's textured. I'll take that to my buy sell trade. I don't know if they'll take that though. A little fancy for 2021. This is Dip. This is from, well, our store that sells it is Dylan's, in Wichita anyway. This has some this is ripped on the side, so that'll be donated. Oh, okay. Oh, no size. Lafayette 148, New York. I like this brand. I like Slim's brand too, THREDUP, but they won't take it without a size. So I might send this to the Real and see if they'll take it without a size tag. They might not. Like different piles of where things are going, so I can keep it somewhat organized, but anyway. Okay, Theory, size 4 pants. These will go back to THREDUP. I sell Theory pretty well on THREDUP. BB Dakota, little chambray tank top, like a crisscross back. That'll go to Plato's. What is this? J. Godfrey. I feel like that's a designer. This is a cute little dress though. This is super 90s vibes with that like short chest. Little dress. There's no size on that, so I don't know. Need to look that brand up and see what I should do with that. Okay, New Attacks J. Crew, size extra small. This is a newer J. Crew, not the newest, but let's see. From fall 16, this is merino wool. I might try and sell this myself. If not, I'll send it back to THREDUP. Under Armour yoga pants. I will take those to Play-Dohs. Max Studio. Size medium. Tank top with some embroidery on it. That will go back to THREDUP. Brandy Melville pants. These are kind of fun. But like I said, I have no luck selling Brandy Melville, so those will go to Play-Dohs. Sorry if I'm like squinting a lot. The light is really bright, but like I can't see either. I don't know. Anyway, English Factory, which can be sold at Revolve. Some black dress, long sleeved, like a sweater and then a poofy thing. I'll send that back to THREDUP. If it was spring, I might take it around to the buy sell trades, but Desi collection, strapless, brown. You Y2Kers want this? For your prom? Are you sure? No? Okay. I'm gonna donate that then. More Brandy Melville. This is a cute little dress though. A little just striped, basic. Maybe I should just make a Brandy Melville box. Cheetah. Time and True. This is a cute little dress. Wait, hold on. What was that? Okay, I thought the bottom was hanging out. Honestly, I think it's a plus size, so I am gonna take this to a buy sell trade and see if they'll take it. I know Walmart's not like the top of their list, but like it's leopard. Street One. Don't know. It's being donated. This is fun. Just smacked myself in the face with it. Kiona, size 3. Oh, yeah. That's gonna be donated. No brand. Cut out. Donate. Sorry, I didn't even show you. H2H. This is called a China Cheapie. Little red cardigan. I will send that to THREDUP. They'll list it as unbranded or assorted brands, and maybe somebody's looking for that. Athleta, extra small. Little long sleeve tee. I'll list that. We wore what? Or we copied who? We stole what? If you don't know, Daniel Bernstein is a freaking stealer of all things. Creations, livelihoods, you know. Okay, you can't see it. Anyway, it is a cute little romper, and I will sell it, but I'm not happy about it. I wish she was not around any longer. I don't know why people are still supporting her. Frame, size extra small. I've had this sweater before. I think I sent it to THREDUP. But I didn't send it with a stain on it and a pull in it, so multiple stains on it. But I will wash it, see if I can get the stains out and fix that pull and list it myself. Even though I didn't sell it the first time. I'll try again. I don't give up. Forever 21, little metallic shorts, Play-Dohs. Where are you? Blank London. I don't know that brand. It's cute. Is there a size? No, the size was cut out. Play-Dohs. Ann Taylor, new tags, $90. So I will send that back to THREDUP. There you go. Oh, okay. You probably don't have a size then, do you? Oh, maybe you do. No. This is Marnie. It is a t-shirt that ties in the back. So there's the Marnie label. And then it's an open back with a tie. Just one tie, just one tie. Okay, no size, but I'll sell that. My back is hurting from sitting in this chair. This is Trove. I don't know where this is sold, but I'm gonna send it back to THREDUP. Kinsey coat, orange. Of course, we're coming out coat season, but I will send that back to THREDUP. What is this? Swanky Vintage, made in the USA, size small. It says $46. So, I'll try that at my buy sell trade store. Forever 21 skirt, sequins, Play-Dohs. Venus, size 12. I just sold a plus size Venus dress on THREDUP. I think it sold like the first day, so I will send that back to them. This is jean jacket of some sort. Massimo Dutti. But oh, there's the size 30, so whatever that is. Jean jacket with elbow patches. THREDUP. Okay. There's a tag. Not brand tag. Not unbranded skirt, I think. Just donate that. Ann Taylor, new with tags. Cute little pants. Wide leg cropped trouser. We'll send that to THREDUP. Ann Taylor sells so good for me on THREDUP. I used to just like constantly source Ann Taylor. I've kind of slowed down. I don't take everything anymore. I don't do factory now that, you know, we can't increase our prices near as high as we used to be able to. So I am factoring things in a lot better, but like it still sells so fast for me. This tag has been cut out of this little black dress. So probably just gonna donate that. It's nothing special. This is soft. Anna, a new approach. ANA, I don't know what it is. This is really soft. I have had luck selling this before. This is just a medium though. I usually try and sell the plus size, so I'll probably just send that back to THREDUP. Ooh, I see a Lulu peeking out at me. Lush, this is the old Lush label. I'll send it back to THREDUP. A New Day, size 4. Sells great for me on THREDUP. These have a little something on them. But also sells good for me at Play-Dohs, so I'm going to take that to Play-Dohs. MG linen, well, not linen. That's too cheap for that. Cold shoulder, lightweight, striped top. I'm going to send that back to THREDUP. Okie doke. Sansuchi, no size. That's just gonna get donated. Topshop, size 6. This is a cute little black dress. full, no, where's the front? Yeah, full button front, although the front is not buttoned currently. Kind of a corset looking style. Topshop I used to pick up just for THREDUP, so I'm gonna send that back to them. All right, let's get this Lululemon piece here. This is the scuba hoodie. Still has the rip tag. Okay. Stuck on the box. This is a size 8. Blue, the large logo. There is a stain on the front. And the pockets are a little the cuffs are a little dingy, but kind of a stain person. Can usually get stains out. I enjoy it. So I will sell that for sure. Going through all these clothes has made me super sneezy. So, what are you? Okay, probably Fabletics. Let's see. Anything? Okay, I think this is probably Fabletics, but usually they still have the Fabletics logo somewhere, which I'm not seeing. So, I don't know. I'll look into that a little more closely. New tags, Gap. This is an old Gap factory pants, so I'm gonna send those back to THREDUP. Oh, okay. Wouldn't expect that in here with a size tag. Proenza Schooler, size 4. Oh my goodness. Camera is not focusing on anything. Okay, so it's a little skirt. Nothing is, oh wait, yep, there it is. There it is. Little hole there that someone did fix, but not, I mean, it's clearly visible.